no. Right here.
Okay.
You're done. You're done.
Okay. Okay, mom. Mom.
Here.
Oh, mom. Oh, go.
Here. Your soup.
Go. Wait a minute.
Red Rocks. We actually entered the park right now, so we're at the visitor center, just kind of, you know, visiting the crowd. So here we are. It's my brother's birthday. It's October 17th, 2020. He's doing the floss. Say hi, Pooh. Little Pooh. This is Joy. She's very joyful today.
Let's go. We're gonna go to the gift shop. This is Nevada's, Las Vegas, Nevada's hidden gem. It's called the Red Rock Canyon. We actually haven't been here for the longest time. We've been going to Las Vegas. The visitor center of Red Rock Canyon. It's in the middle of Mojave Desert. Red Rock Canyon. We're finally here at the Red Rock gift shop. This is pretty dope, man. Pretty dope. Oh. They have a lot of stuff. Yeah. They have the bandana. They have some Red Rock sunscreen. Alright, since we've been collecting some magnets, we're gonna have to pick one. And the winner is... Which one are we gonna get, baby girl? The one closest to her. Which one are we gonna get?
Let's pick the best one.
I'll pick this one. How about you guys? This one. Oh no, that's good. You're just gonna play with that, baby girl. You do? Really? Is this what you want?
No.
Pick this one. Right. We're gonna put him back. There are some school stickers. Red Rock Canyon. Cool stickers. And magnets. Cool stickers and magnets. Of course, we're gonna get this. Boom. Our RC. For your car? Bigyan mo kay chat. Bigyan mo kay chat.
Ito?
Bigyan mo kay chat.
Chat.
First rain on the plane, we were flying to the mountain, all across the ocean, and there we go again. Walking in the streets, lost in new places, the million new faces, diving deeper in the world, riding on the road into the unknown, all on our own, until we settle down, warming our heart, finding new bones, trying to find a place we call home.
Man, look at that. They're already there. Where's Joy? Man, this is so unreal. It looks so nice.
Nice to believe.
So nice in here. It's so matarik.
Ngayon lang ako nakita ng ganito. Ganda. Nasulit.
Ano, may kakayanin mo doon?
Unti-unti lang. Unti-unti lang.
Place we call home. The clock is ticking. They say enough is enough. It's time to head home to see the ones we love. Time to back again, to hit the road again. Memories all around, tears are flowing down. It's time to say goodbye to all these colors, flavors, cultures, and to jump on that train. It's true, I realize when my family's all around, I finally found the place I call home.
Dali lang. Yung video. About to eat in ramen Shiburi, right? Shiburi anime ramen shop.
Hi. Hello, doggy.
Still waiting here. Ramen place. Baby girl. Ano yan?
Are you getting me too?
Slightly inspired. Fight.
Hoy, go daddy. Oh, oh.
Knockout. You win.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home?
Cheers. Nice.
We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home. Won't you take me home, give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Just take me home.
Okay. Good. Okay. The same color.